Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram if it's lagging or loading slowly on your phone. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open your phone settings and go to Apps. Select Instagram, then tap Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account or personal data. Next, open the Play Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, install the latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes cause performance issues. Now restart your phone and open Instagram again. If the problem still isn't fixed, uninstall and reinstall Instagram. This installs a fresh copy of the app and can fix corrupted app files. Finally, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or if you're using mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi instead. A slow or unstable internet connection can also cause Instagram to lag or load slowly. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.